At Nanogirl Labs, we are always looking for new ways to connect people with the science, technology, engineering, math that shapes their world around them. Our newest project incorporates quality family time with a hands-on interactive adventure through a familiar place like a city or a park. We ran our first pilot event in the city of Tāmaki Makaurau, Auckland, New Zealand. Equipped with smartphone microscopes, we use materials engineering to analyse the microstructures of building materials through the city, learning how engineers change the types of materials used through history. Using geotechnical engineering principles, we discovered how knowing what lies beneath us, learning how to test for mechanical properties like hardness, is so important before we start building any new structures above us. Looking down uncovers so many secrets, like these hanging ropes that house thousands of live mussels. As filter feeders, mussels are one of nature's amazing living water purifiers, helping to filter pollutants in the harbour and showing biological engineering in action. While these plants might look decorative, a closer look finds a hidden rain garden designed to clean stormwater runoff. To show how it works, we became water engineers for the day and built a rain garden of our own, watching how each layer trapped different sizes of pollutants along the way. As our cities evolve, scientists and engineers help solve problems and create new solutions every day. But so often these stories go untold. So by understanding where we've come from and where we want to go, with a little bit of Nanogirl magic, we can inspire our young innovators to think big about how a career in STEM could help them to shape the cities of their future.